I'm Jason Matthews at Royal LePage Performance. I'm here to present our newest listing at 1480 Riverside Drive. It's a fantastic condo, 20th floor, Unit 02, big floor plan. It's 2 bedrooms plus den, 2 full bathrooms, parking spot underground, and the best rec facilities in the city, 24-hour security. Please have a look. Thanks so much. Thank you very much for watching. Just wanted to point out that this particular property, Unit 2002, is also one of the largest at just under 2,000 square feet of living space. This particular facility, known as the Classics, has access to the best recreation facilities in the city, by far. It has pergolas with barbecues, sitting areas, walking paths, a beautiful outdoor pool, which is used by the owners, indoor pool facilities for winter, billiards, a gym, hot tubs, table tennis, and of course, real tennis courts right behind us. It's also on the new LRT line at Herdman Station, so getting to and fro is very easy if you don't want to use your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and please call if you have any questions. This is Jason Matthews at Royal LePage Performance. Take care.